Hi, if you are a developer, marketing person, or designer, at least 3 times a week you have probably searched for either a tool, icon, or emoji on the web. Skimming through websites full of ads, additional sign up steps, and spending your productive time trying to find the correct icon from thousands of resources. So, to tackle this problem, we came up with a solution: free DevTools, a complete set of 1.25 lakh resources, including icons, tools, emojis, docs, MCPs, and more, along with an easy to use search feature. In this video, we will go through each section, explore the resources, and see the benefit of free tools. Let's first go through the tools section. Free tools provide around 51 tools, including various formatters, converters, and generators, including password generator, LLM token counter, and more. All the mini tool a developer needs under one section during their development cycle. Now let's dive into TLDR section. TLDR contains more than 6,000 command line tool documentation pages across different platforms, including version management, Linux tools, DevOps tools, and more. All of these talks are categorized properly for ease of use. Let's go through the ADB documentation. ADB is a tool which helps to connect your mobile devices with your laptop during mobile development. All the commands and all the commands required for mobile development are listed under ADB. Similar to ADB, there are other sections, and in each section, different documentation given for each tool and the commands under the tool. The third section is cheat sheets. Free DevTools has around 1,100 cheat sheets, which are very useful for developers working across various fields. For example, if a developer wants to know about AWS ECR, there is no need to go through hundreds of websites for a short brief or shortcuts. Just check out the code build documentation in the cheat sheet section itself. Similarly, there are other tools and documentation and cheat sheet for other frameworks. For example, Django, DevOps, everything is available under cheat sheet section of free tools. The next section is the most useful section for designers, developers. Emojis. Free DevTools also contains around 2,800 ready-to-use emoji collection. Whatever emoji you want, you just have to copy it, or if you need another variant of the emoji, you can select it from the image variant section, whether it's 3D, colored, or high contrast. SVG and PNG icons are the largest set of resources we have in free DevTools, providing around 50,000 resources in both categories. You can copy or download the SVG icon based on your need. This is very useful and will save your time finding accurate pre-licensed SVG icons. Similar to SVG icons, we have PNG icons. This also provides around 50,000 resources from various categories. Another useful feature free DevTools provide is a compact, fast, responsive search, which help you to find the correct resources from 1.25 lakh resources. Let me demonstrate this for you. If you want to search, or if you are working on an OpenAI API integration for your product and want to know how much tokens your request consumes, just go to the search bar and type OpenAI. Yeah, it shows you different resources here. For example, icon. Now we have OpenAI cost calculator and OpenAI token calculator. So this token counter you can use for counting the number of tokens while you are integrating an OpenAI API in your product. Similarly, if you are searching for an icon, for example, uh, Play Store icon, you need a Play Store icon for your poster. You can just search it here and find different variations of icon, SVG icon or the PNG icon. Or if you are sending some message or need some icon for your app, just search for example, let's search for cat smiling icon. Yeah. So this will list all the emojis. For example, if you need cat smiling emoji, you can find variety of emojis in the free tools. Yeah. So this is what free tools provide. All resources under one roof. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Check out free tools and share with your teammates or fellow developers. Thank you.